We're going to look at this last trade here for $750 that lasted 1 minute and 2 seconds. This trade is tagged yellow as I needed to hold it a little bit longer. Right here we can see a hard reclaim up as well as a range building. This is what I call a reclaim assisted range break. It's an A+ setup. Scrolling to the right, we can see there's a huge cluster of high delta levels in this rough area. The upper area has been rotated 3 times, letting me know that there is pressure up here. Going forward in time, we can see more of these lines being concentrated and clustered in one area. This is the intersection of very high delta activity. The path of least resistance is coming out of this line right here. Scrolling to the right, looking at the 3-second chart as well as the DOM, we will see the entry go on. I get long at 1625. As you might notice, there is a box here. This represents high delta, which would be down here. This is a factor of support that I can lean into on the smaller time frame in order to get position for the long position. I'm a bit early to this trade, however, I know there is high probability based off the other things I've mentioned in this video. What you might notice is these bars are really tight. This is what I call barcoding. There is virtually no volatility. Therefore, this trade takes a bit of time to pan out. I end up exiting at 1750 for 5 ticks. However, I figured the trade might go to 1825. Therefore, I prematurely cut it. And just like that, it did go to 1825. If you would like to learn more about my trading, check out coffee.com/fatcatsofwallstreet. Subscribe to my Coffee, where you can see over 2 years of narrated tradings, plus all my trade reviews. The best way to learn from a trader is watching them do it on the right edge every trading day. You can see me adapt to different conditions, learn from my mistakes, and hit home runs.